Hello to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. And if you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, let me just get my thumbnail here real quick. We're doing a Birchbox unboxing. We're doing November versus December. Birchbox is $10 a month, and it comes with 5 trial size products. So let's go ahead and get started. This is for the month of November. The very first thing in here is it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. The full size retails for $18.52. This restorative leave-in conditioner boasts 10 different benefits, including repairing strands, eliminating frizz, restoring shine, heat protection, and more. So I actually want to try this out. It looks a lot thicker. It doesn't splash around in there, but it comes out like a liquid. It's more like a cream in the bottle. It smells really good. So that was the very first item. The second item in here is by R&Co. Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. I apologize for the low resolution, but I'm actually trying my computer. I figured maybe I could save a step instead of using my phone to record and then downloading it onto my computer. The full size retails for $29. It says, hydrate hair, minimize frizz, and boost shine with this lightweight lotion formulated for all hair types, applied to wet strands before blow drying or air drying. Oh, so it's an actual hair lotion. So let's go ahead and put this on our hair as well. I thought it was a hand cream, but that's okay. Ooh, this one has kind of a flowery smell to it. It's definitely floral. It kind of smells like roses, but it has a definite feminine scent to it. So the next thing in here is by Marcelli, BB Cream Golden Glow. The full size retails for $29. It says this paraben and oil-free BB cream gives your skin a golden glow while also controlling shine and evening out your skin tone. I have a few of these. I haven't actually really tried them because I usually go for more of that full coverage. But this might be good for like a more of a natural look. It's all in here. It smells good. It doesn't really have a smell to it. Let me actually wipe my hand here real quick. Okay. So the second to the last item is LXMI Creme du Nil. The full size retails for $58. Powered by a rare ingredient only found in Uganda called Nilactica Reserve, this luxurious face cream provides serious moisture to all skin types for a plump, radiant complexion. I've never heard of this before, and that is pretty expensive. It has a little seal on it. So the very last item for our November Birchbox. I was going to say BoxyCharm. We don't get BoxyCharm here in Alaska. They don't ship up here. But this is Glow Squad Quad Single Pop. This pink shade, which also comes as part of a full-size palette. The Glow Squad Quad is versatile, even enough to apply with fingers on both lips and cheeks for a pop of color. So let's just go ahead and see if I can you see it there? Barely any tint to it, but you can definitely tell it's there. Yeah, it's barely got any color to it at all. Maybe you can pack it on a little thicker. There it is there. So that'll be nice too for a natural glow. So that was it for our November box for Birchbox. The full size for that product retails for $8. So let's go ahead and go into our December box and see what we have. Take out the little card here. So there is this little packets of Divine's oil conditioner and shampoo. The shampoo full size retails for $31. The conditioner full size retails for $38. You'll love this ultra hydrating paraben and sulfate free shampoo for all hair types. It boosts volume and shine, improves texture, and protects hair from UV rays. This conditioner is packed with natural active ingredients in Roku oil, which protects hair from UV rays and heat damage, plus apricot butter, which adds softness. This next thing in here is by Quip, a mint anti-cavity toothpaste. The full size retails for $5. This anti-cavity toothpaste effectively cleans teeth and prevents decay without harmful abrasives and whitening agents. So there it is there. That's pretty awesome. I've never ever gotten a toothpaste in my year of subscriptions from five different subscriptors. It also came with a nice little coupon for $10 off your next order of $50 or more, and it expires at the end of the next month. So that's pretty awesome. The next thing I see in here is by the same company, Divine's Oi All-in-One Milk. Full size retails for $34. This nourishing leave-in treatment detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. And then we have Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals. This is a vanilla lip scrub. Full size retails for $20. It says swipe this Birchbox exclusive scrub over your lips to slew off dead skin cells and smooth dry or chapped lips. Interesting. And there's these tiny little cute MAC Cosmetics in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. Full size retails for $24. Want lashes that are dimensional as you are? Swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. And then the very last thing is by LOC, L-O-C, or Love of Color. This is a luminous lip shine in Glow. The full size retails for $10. It's all about the shine with this lip gloss, which pairs a high gloss finish with sheer rose gold color. The sheen instantly gives lips a fuller, plumper appearance. And there's the shade there. See if it shows up. Nope, not so much. Yeah, it's actually right there. So that was it for my Birchbox November versus December. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. And I am currently having a giveaway. This is Christmas Eve, and I'm actually going to pick the winner Christmas night, but I will post it the following day. I'll leave a link in the description box below, just in case you haven't entered. Please check that out. Looking forward to it, and I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you in the next one.